In front of me is LG K62+, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on this phone. So at first, just open the settings, then in the search area enter navigation. And here you can either use gestures or buttons only. So as long as we are with gesture right now, we can smoothly switch it to buttons. Obviously, you can change the button combination as well. Just pick the one that you would like to have, and also you can add some buttons. You can have up to 5 buttons. So if you'd like to have a screenshot icon here as well, smoothly slide it right here, or maybe notification, whatever you want to. But I will leave it in this default setup. Obviously, you can also change the position of them. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can change navigation bar in your LG. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.